Setting the stage, key decisions from the 14th GST Council Meeting. Greetings, curious minds. Let's delve into the insights unveiled during the 14th GST Council Meeting, which convened on 18th May 2017 under the chairmanship of Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. This significant gathering marked a pivotal moment as it set the tone for the impending implementation of the Goods and Services Tax (GST). Join us as we break down the major highlights from the first day of this crucial meeting. Charting a path forward, the 14th GST Council meeting commenced with a flurry of decisions aimed at establishing the groundwork for the impending GST rollout. Key among these was the approval of 7 sets of draft rules, encompassing critical areas such as registration, payment, refund, invoice, debit and credit note, input tax credit, valuation, and composition. Additionally, 2 draft rules on transition provisions and returns were sent for legal vetting. Rates and tax fitment. A significant step was taken in terms of determining GST rates for goods. The Council gave the nod to GST rates for 1205 out of 1211 items, falling under nil, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28% brackets. Notably, essential items of daily use were placed in the lowest bracket of 5%. However, the decision on tax rates for the remaining 6 categories, including gold, BDs, textile, footwear, agricultural implements, and packaged branded food items, along with tax fitment for various services, was deferred and slated for discussion on the second day of the meeting. Empowering compensation cess. The Council also laid the groundwork for GST compensation cess on specific goods, encompassing items like pan masala, aerated water, tobacco, cigarettes, and motor vehicles. This included a proposed cess of 204% on pan masala containing tobacco gutkha, varying cess rates on different categories of motor vehicles, and more. Understanding the tax slabs. Delve into the GST rate schedule for goods, as shaped by the GST Council's decisions. Nil rate, 0% items like fresh meat, fish, eggs, milk, fresh fruits and vegetables, printed books, newspapers, and more. 5% rate, items including fish fillet, coffee, tea, spices, medicines, stents, coal, and more. 12% rate, products like butter, cheese, dry fruits, fruit juices, tooth powder, sewing machines, cell phones, and others. 18% rate, majority of items fall under this slab, including pasta, cornflakes, ice cream, cameras, steel products, and more. 28% rate, chewing gum, chocolate, deodorants, automobiles, motorcycles, yachts, and more will attract the highest tax rate. Looking ahead, as the first day of the 14th GST Council meeting came to a close, the path to GST implementation became clearer. While many decisions were made, several crucial aspects were deferred for the following day's discussions. The next meeting, scheduled for May 18th to 19th, 2017, in Srinagar, will finalize these pending matters, including the rate structure for remaining items and services. This meeting promises to shape the landscape of the impending GST era, ushering in a new era of taxation. Stay curious and stay tuned for the next chapter in India's tax transformation.